Good morning. Good morning, little sweetie. Who's having a good morning? Who's having a good morning today? Yeah. Yeah. Did you have a good breakfast? Did you have a good breakfast? Yeah. Did you have a good poo-poo this morning? And a good breakfast? And now you're ready to play. You're ready to play, aren't you? Yes, you are. What do you want to play today? What would you like to play? Hmm? We could play roll over in the playpen. We could practice our kicks on the jungle gym. Yeah, lots of fun things to do. You want to go in the playpen and practice your kicks and your rolling over? Yeah? You want to? Okay. Let's set the camera down. Here we go. Oh, up we go. Here we go, in the playpen. In the playpen. Wow. You're gonna practice your kicking? You gonna practice your kicks? Yeah. Good kicking. Okay, roll over. There you go. There you go. You're gonna try and crawl now? Yeah. Yeah. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. Hmm? What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now, baby? Hmm? Christina? Christina? Oh. Getting tired? Did you get stuck on your tummy? Hi. Hi. You gotta learn to roll over the other way. You see the butterfly? You see the ladybug? See the butterfly and the ladybug? Hmm? You're trying to crawl, aren't you? You're trying to crawl. You're doing a good job. Yes, you're doing it. Oh, you're almost there. Look. You're almost there. Don't choke on your spit. Oh. It's hard being a baby. So much to learn. I know, so much to learn. I know. I know. Oh, you almost got it. You almost got it, little one. You almost got it. Yeah, I know. I know. You're doing good. You are. Oh, you'll get it. You'll get it. You'll get it. Just takes practice. Just takes practice, little girl. Yeah, you almost got it. You almost got it. Aw, okay. Mama's gonna roll you back over. Say goodbye to everybody. Yeah. Say goodbye. We'll try again later. Say bye-bye. That's the sound of frustration. Okay. I know.